In AutoCAD, if you want to remove a complete line, you will select the line and then come up here on the modify panel and click on erase, and that line will be gone. However, if you want just a part of the line to be gone, then you have to use the trim command, which is beside the erase, which is this one. Click it once. If you are using an older version of AutoCAD 2021 downwards, you will get this on the command line. Simply press enter to accept to select all as the cutting edge. Press enter on your keyboard. Now select whatever line you want to trim parts of it. You can select whatever line I want. This ones as well. However, if you made a mistake, you can click on the undo here and undo all that. But if you want to extend a line that doesn't yet intersect, then you will need the brother of trim, which is the extend command, which is the opposite of trimming. Come up here and click on this drop down. You will see extend. Click it once, and just like trim, it will show you to select all as cutting edge or select individual object. Just select all by pressing enter on your keyboard. And then how it works is when you select the line, you point to a direction you want it to extend. For instance, if I want to extend this line this way, I will click it close here. Now I didn't click. However, if I do click, it will extend it this way. I will click on undo. If I come to this end, however, it will extend to this way. I will click and I will click again to extend one this way. I can continue extending by clicking here. It will still extend. Click again, it will extend. Click again, it will extend. Click again, it will extend. But now, if I try to click again, I will get an error because it doesn't have any boundaries to be extended to. However, since trimming and extend share a common command, they live in the same place, so you can hold down the shift key and switch between them. Now if I hold down the shift key, I can trim while I'm in the extend command. However, if I release the shift key, I will get back to extending. Hold on the shift key, trim these lines, and hold on the shift key again and trim this one and this one. To end the trim or extend command, simply press and enter on your keyboard. Just like I said in the beginning, if you want an object completely gone, I will click here once. I will make sure everything is within here, and then I will click again to select this. What you have to do is just click on erase and all of it will be gone.